EagleNXT makes drones and sensors. Formerly known as AgEagle. We actually changed the brand name a few weeks ago. Here at the booth in Elevate, we have our ISR and mapping platforms called the EB Vision. We're proud to show this off to Drone Nerds customers. And the use case around this drone is it's a single portable, deploys out of a backpack, and it can fly for about 90 minutes at a 12-mile range. So it gives an operator really good organic ISR capability to see what's over the hill if they need to. So the EB Vision is a newer product for us. Moving down the table a little bit, we'll go from the drones to our other products. We make multispectral sensors. These are our Red Edge P sensors from MicaSense. This is our new Red Edge P triple product. We're introducing it here for the first time to the market at the Elevate show, and we're proud to show it off here with our partners at Drone Nerds. What customers are gonna receive from this new product is a 15-band multispectral sensor that sees in the red, green, and blue spectrum. So you'll get different analyses from the different information that you receive from the cameras. And we're hoping that our customers are gonna be able to receive new types of data relative to plant health that'll allow them to make better decisions in the field. So the MicaSense Red Edge P triple is now available. It's now available through Drone Nerds as well, and we're proud to bring this to market for our multispectral customers.
Could you tell me about which industries are using your products?
We work with large agricultural companies who both grow crops, research new crops to then sell to farmers. Those companies use our cameras for all sorts of information analysis about their crops. So that would be the primary use case for multispectral MicaSense sensors would be our farming customers. For the ISR platform, the EB Vision, this is more for the military end user or maybe a public safety officer, someone that wants to do a crisis management over a disaster scene or a scenario, a post-hurricane damage assessment. Anyone that needs full motion video at long range, at high resolutions, would benefit from EB Vision.
And is there anything coming down the line that you want people to know?
Yeah, we have a bunch of new features that we're gonna introduce into the Vision for next year. Let's just call them AI-enabled features to allow the operator to fly the drone less and just focus on a little bit more autonomy to our drone. And in the future, I think you can look forward to more advanced data sets that are collected from these cameras and made available to our customers.